Bell Productions. Can't get to postan from my family. Ang dapat sa pagmimandi. Mawaday sa prasa sa tips. Can't get to postan from my family. Ang dapat sa pagmimandi. Mawaday sa prasa sa tips. Ang dapat maniman kung may nibanigit to pagkig na may sabri. Panigit iltit kasi ni Brasa as my enemy. But nowadays looking after my family. May bruik sinimen sa aspasan may tukong. Viti hukum wala na wisuwa plum. Manimen sa take me iltit banit siya aspastrong. Lagi vitay batik laki kuta apa negit ang napat. May bruik dunig tanga tay laksuna unta pansit. Lagi vitay batik kasi ay starali game. Minsan yit may ang kasinig dakan it for the fame. Mami sa take me iltit dala as for frame. May bruik dunit say fullet. Nowadays kakipot ko na of my family. Kaya nibito'y matandamas ni Mati. Nowadays kakip na may family. But nowadays as an enemy, Mustafa na lang enemies. Enemies, my brasa as not enemies. Enemies, my brasa as not enemies. Enemies, my brasa as not enemies. Enemies, yeah. Tigit ko pastan, minsan hit me at halak. Kaya bata-bat may brueg ko man stanat up. Minsan si may tikay dias volkak. May brueg din na diamond it may up halak. Kung tarit na so na respect ka nagyaw siya dias may spek. Man, manit si komina strike metapir. Man ay tunat yung kakas ako nagsis asagit. Onerli kay gibit ay bata sa inyo. Manit si asa fake dan kay gibit ay bata kang duna na beside any awan balang kabreak netong kasi always times bafom. Kaya gibitay what I like to from mom. Panitlong wallet kong panagal salplong. Nowadays kikip ka na family. Manibitin na sis by your enemies. Nowadays kukuk na may family. Pandaman siltig ni Mati. Nowadays kikip na may family. But nowadays I pressure as my enemies. Nowadays I pressure as my enemies. Nowadays I pressure as my enemies. Bell Productions. It's funny to say maybe. Yeah. Shout out. Check it.